In this tutorial, we'll guide you through reading an RFID tag and completing an asset inspection using your Android device. Let's get started. To begin, open the InfraMarker app, navigate to your survey list and select Survey123. In the upper right-hand corner, tap on the Launch Read RFID icon. Next, tap the Start button to launch the RFID app. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see that we are connected to the TSL1128 RFID reader, and the battery charge is at 80%. We're good to go. Tap OK to proceed. Now, point the RFID reader towards the asset you're inspecting and pull the trigger to scan. Once the asset is found, tap on the asset entry to proceed. The app will retrieve the asset details and open the relevant survey form. Scroll down to locate the Repeat section. This is where you'll complete the asset inspection. Fill out the inspection details carefully. Ensure all required fields are completed accurately. Once you've completed the inspection, tap the check mark in the bottom right-hand corner. Then press Send Now to submit the inspection data. And that's it. You've successfully completed an inspection of an asset using InfraMarker on your Android device.